Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little different. I already did a video where I unboxed a box that I had sent a bunch of things to the US, to our US postal box, and I wasn't really exactly happy with it because it's super expensive to ship up here because they decide that they can only use certain shipping options like UPS and DHL. So it makes it kind of expensive. It's great if, you know, a company, you bought hundreds and hundreds of dollars of clothes and whatever, and you wanted to ship them up here. And it might be cheaper that way. I'm not sure. I find that this company, I'm not sure, maybe for Canada it's not worth it, but I did read some reviews where other people were saying it was great. So this is my last box from them. I'm gonna maybe start looking at another company and seeing if I can do it cheaper or whatnot. The other thing with using UPS and DHL, they have a $0 Damascus, which means I have to pay duties on everything I buy, which is a little ridiculous. Like, come on, give me a break here. You're charging me $40 to ship up 3 bags and then $20 on top of that for safe handling for nail polish and something else in one of these bags, and then another, like, and then they charge me like $3 or $4 to pack up the stuff, plus $9 a month for the box itself. So it does become quite costly, and that's all in American dollars. Then I had to pay $25 for the duties on it, so $10 to them, which, I mean, come on, you're already charging me to ship this to me, and about $15 for the actual duties. I did claim that each bag was $15 because that's what I had paid on, I think, 2 of them. One of them I paid $10, but I wasn't going to argue $5. So I got 2 Januaries because I wanted to try Sunday Riley. I know there's a huge uproar before Christmas about them, but I find that I really do like the products, especially their Rapid Vitamins, I think C, the CEO Rapid Flash Serum. When I signed up in December or November, I was told that I was getting a full-size Sunday Riley CEO from Allure. I never got that. Instead, I got that blue perfume. I can't remember what it was. I'm not a huge perfume fan. I was kind of disappointed. Bait and switch from Allure. They need more of a confirmation when you sign up. Yes, you're getting this, or no, you're not. I didn't battle with them. I didn't bother. I just figured that I just leave it and just get on with my life. Anyway, let's get to the story. My son just walked in. We're still trying this new back room for the photo or for the videos, so I have moved. I think this is better lighting until we get the rest of the room finished. I think I'll probably do right here. As you can see, I live in a really old house. This is original brick, so, and I think it's gorgeous myself. So let's start. I did get 2 January boxes, so let's see here. So it looks like I got both of them here. So these are the cases. Now, I'm a huge fan of Reddit, and I'm on there constantly. I heard that a lot of these broke. Mine look like to be intact. I do like these. I will be definitely looking into using them. I think I might like put my makeups in here and like sort them upstairs and into boxes and stuff. I need to get into organizing my makeup. So the first thing I pull out is, and I'm gonna mess this name up so bad. I'm fighting a cold. I came down with a cold between last night and today. I'm wondering if it's gonna morph into the flu again. I've had the flu a few times. I've got the body aches. My back is killing me lately. I also painted this behind me, so that might help. So anyway, I got the Away Hair Care Scalp and Body Scrub. I have this, and I actually, no, I used something different today. I actually forgot I had this upstairs open. I love this. This is really nice. It smells nice. It feels nice. I haven't used it in my scalp because every time I do, I always end up with lots of it left over in my hair. So I might as well do these 2 bags at once. Now I think I see everything in this bag. is the same. So let's go to the next product. I'm wondering if they're even the same colors, because it kind of looks like I got something different. Nope, there it is. Okay, so let's go to the next product I see, and that is the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinol Serum. So there's one of the products, and then the other one is the CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Face Oil. I think this was the full size item. Again, I should have looked up prices. I did not. I'm super excited for this. I've got 2 of them. I'm ready to try them. I also have the ceramic cleanser, and I have a few other things like the Good Genes lactic acid. So I will be using those up. Another thing I already have one of, and I haven't had a chance to try it yet. I have so many full-size hair masks that it's not even funny. I'm just going through my Cos box, and then FabFitFun sent me the Moroccan Gold Oil series, and in the same box they sent me in my surprise, or my mystery bundle, a full-size chlorine. So I will be trying to use up those, and then I'll get to this, but I've heard really good things about this. So I have 2 of these, and I'm super excited about that. My hair is a mess right now. I can't seem to figure out a good routine. So this I'll be using. So we'll get 2 other items in here. So one is the Douce Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winter Berry. I'm not sure if I will use this. Actually, it might look nice. I'm not sure if I will use it full time. And the other item is the Malay Eye Color Shadow Stick Extra Ombre. Let's see here. Oh, that is so pretty. So, let's see here. I'm going to open up this and we'll swatch it. Let's see. So obviously you can't get this one. This was last month. Oh, how pretty is that? I will definitely be using that. Maybe I'll put the second one in a giveaway because it looks like it's full size. Now this brand seems to be popping up everywhere. I don't know what to make of it. There's some things that I really like about them and other things I don't. I've heard people say they like their mascaras. I see mixed reviews about this. They say they really like the color and the formula on it. And the formula is really nice actually. And there's the red. Oh, that's a nice winter color, and those are both winter colors, I think. So I'm going to put those away and see what they were like. Oh, they taped this. Oh, haha. So I did get one that was broken. They did tape this one. Although, I'm missing one of the items from this, which is odd. I am missing the nail polish. There's that. I'm pretty sure it was on my list of things. That is odd. I don't know what to say. I am missing the nail polish out of one, which means I'll probably ship it to my box at a later date. But I'm not shipping it up to me because it's not worth the $20 to ship it to me. So that is kind of disappointing. This is super disappointing with Allure shipping these bags. Like I said, I got one that's intact, so let's see how it goes. So this one has the NCLA Call My Agent. It's a nice color. I'm not a big fan of these pinks. I like the more adventurous colors. I believe these are all the same colors as, yep, so there's no new colors in here, but there is another full-size Sunday Riley serum, which I'm super excited about. So let's see here. So this is February's box. I know it's super late in February. Let's see here. So the first thing I see is face mask. So that's Mamad Flourless Essence Lab Brightening Mask for bright and clear complexion. So I will be using that for sure. That's actually kind of pretty. I think I have a few other things of Mamad's upstairs that I will have to try out. So the next item is the Brow Gel. I didn't do my brows this time. So let's see here. This is Instant Brown Hair 2 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers, which is probably more my color. So that's kind of nice. So I'll definitely try using that. I don't know why it's not focusing on that, but there it is there. Oh, my back is so sore. So let's see here. What else is in here? So there is Mamad Paddle Spa Oil to Foam. I think this is a cleanser. Let's see here. Yep, cleanser. So it's very fragrant, very fragrant, very flowery smelling. I didn't get the brush. One of the reasons why I bought this was to get the brush. I did not get it. I also did not get a cap for that, so I don't know if that was them or not. I will have to go back through my emails and see what I'm missing. So this is the Mile High Club. This is supposed to be a full-size wonder. And one of the other items I got is the Model & Co. See if I can't get some on here. Ooh, those are definitely colors I will be using. Those are beautiful colors. It's a good size. I'm sure I'll be able to use this all up. So that's a little disappointing that I didn't get everything that was promised. I will have to look into see what I can do, because like I said, I did have the ship from the US to here. I don't see it in the bottom of this box. Very disappointing. I'm not sure what to do. I don't see it. I don't feel like it's in there. Whatever. It is what it is. Thank you guys for watching now. If you could do me a favor and hit subscribe and hit that bell, and I will be loading up some more videos when I get some more boxes in. I have decided to downgrade my BoxyLuxe because nothing in that box seems to call and scream at my name. I am going to see if I can keep my Boxy charm for at least one more month. I have about almost $70 worth of charms to spend, so I'm waiting to spend those, and then I would cancel. And they're not updating the charm room at all, so I did renew my top box, and I will be getting my Ipsy. Fortunately, my Ipsy is lost again. Yep. So I've contacted Ipsy Care. They will be sending a new bag at the end of the month, which means another 10 to 12 days after that. So hopefully in the middle of February, I'll be able to do my second unboxing for my Ipsy. And as far as they're concerned, all of my add-ons are in stock, so I should be able to get those as well. Anyway, if you also go back to 2 videos I think before, I have a giveaway for 500 subscribers. Please go comment on that. Tell me what you like to see in the box. Maybe something from here, maybe not. And let me know. And I thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.